You don't want to miss this. 8 must-know tips for buying a home in Gainesville, Florida. So, you're thinking about buying a home this year. That's awesome. But let's be real. The home buying process can feel like putting together IKEA furniture without the instructions. It's overwhelming, it's confusing, and you might end up with a few extra pieces that don't fit. Don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I am going to cover the ultimate home buying checklist, so you'll know exactly what to expect and how to avoid those extra pieces. Ready? Grab a pen and let's get started. Get pre-approved. Unless you're paying cash, the first thing you're going to need to do is to get pre-approved for a mortgage. No, seriously, don't skip this step. Think of it like getting your boarding pass before the flight. You can't really move forward without it. Getting pre-approved not only shows the sellers that you are a serious buyer, but it gives you a clear idea of what your budget is. Plus, it saves you from falling in love with homes that are way outside your price range. Next, set a budget. And this is key, stick to it. I know it's tempting to stretch a little further when you find that perfect home with granite countertops and walk-in closets. But remember, your budget is there for a reason. You don't want to end up house poor, living on ramen noodles just so you could afford your mortgage. Create a budget that leaves room for things like home maintenance, utilities, food, and living your life. Now, let's find a rock star real estate agent who can guide you through the process. Buying a home is not like buying a pair of shoes. It is a huge decision with lots of moving parts. The right agent will help you navigate these parts. They will also negotiate on your behalf and make sure you don't miss any important details or deadlines. And hey, if you're looking to buy in the Gainesville, Florida area, I would love to help. Let's connect and get started. Just click on my Calendly link below and let's set up a time to chat. Next, before we start touring homes, make a list of your must-haves and nice-to-haves. Like, you must have a certain number of bedrooms, but it'd really be nice if you had a couple more. These must-haves are non-negotiable. The nice-to-haves, what would they be? Maybe something like a gourmet kitchen, a hot tub in your backyard, but they're things that you could live without or you can acquire later. Trust me, it's really easy to get caught up in the excitement when you're looking at homes, but this list will help keep you grounded. All right, the fun part, house hunting. But don't get too carried away. While it is super easy to fall in love with the decor, remember the bones of the house are what you're looking for. Is the layout functional? Does it have good light? Is the roof in great or good condition? What about the plumbing and the electrical? Those could end up being very big ticket items. Basically, you want to make sure you're not buying a money pit. Take your time and don't be afraid to ask questions. Are you still with me? If these steps are helping you feel more prepared, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button or share this with a friend. And if you have any questions or need help finding the right agent, especially in the Gainesville area, reach out to me. My information's below. I am here to help you on your home buying journey. Once you've found the home, it's time to make an offer. But not just any offer. A smart offer takes into account the local market conditions, the home's list price, and what's realistic for your budget. Your agent, hopefully me, will guide you through this part, helping you make a competitive offer that still protects your interests. Don't worry, we'll handle the negotiations so you can picture yourself moving into your dream home. Next, I cannot stress this enough. Always, always, always get a home inspection. It is tempting to waive this step when the market is competitive or you're in a multiple offer situation, but trust me, it is a recipe for disaster. There is no perfect home out there, not even new construction. A home inspection will help uncover any hidden issues that might end up costing you thousands of dollars. Think of it this way. It's like getting a health checkup for your home. You wouldn't buy a car without test driving it, right? The same logic applies here. Your offer's been accepted, everything has checked out, now it's time to close the deal. This is where all the paperwork comes in. And yes, there is a lot of it, but it's also the final step just before you get your keys. Your agent will help you navigate the closing process, make sure everything is in order and you know what you're going to be signing. Then, after what feels like 1,000,001 signatures, You'll finally be a homeowner. Now that you have the ultimate home buying checklist to follow, you'll be moving into your house with confidence. Buying a home doesn't have to be overwhelming when you're prepared with the right people in your corner. Do you want even more tips to make your home buying experience a breeze? Check out my video, 5 Mistakes to Avoid When Buying a Home. It's packed with advice to keep you on track. See you there.